Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's complete this template. We need to create a thank you slide. In the thank you slide, I'm going to use this background also. I'm really totally in love with that. You want to know how I create it and you want to change the color, go see previous videos. There is a video that we make it. After adding that, I'm going to use this picture. You can use any picture, but you see the picture is not fit and it's not looking beautiful. But for now we are going to reduce its size by pressing control to reduce it on both sides. You see it's not how I like it, and you may also like it. But at first let's create the slide. We need to add a thank you text here and another presenter name, email address and website address if you have. After putting that, we need to recolor and resize them. For this I'm going to use this font, the wedding signature for the thank you, and I'm going to increase the size. I bold it. It's just like a sign and it's very beautiful for seeing. I love it, and you can also give it a little shadow. It's good. Then for the personal email address, I'm going to use sans serif and increase their size, and I'm going to use black font. Now it's created, but the problem is that this picture is not aligned. That we are going to fix on the next lesson. Until then, have a nice time.